stood on the top of the wolf throne with his head held high. He roared with a feeling of dominance. The roaming wolf packs around the valley heard the news.
Princess Moon?
Of course. I remember when my father and I first came to the valley. I was a cub. My father...
Moon began to tell Alpha about her father fighting against a beast to save her.
Need help with something?
You've driven away the hyenas, but the valley is a mess now, and I need your...
Those darn hyenas have been driven away. We can help you repair and upgrade the facilities at home.
Hopefully these monkeys can be helpful. We need to arm ourselves as much as possible before the Black Wolf strikes again. This den used to be where my father trained wolves. You can train more wolves here to become exceptional warriors. Our wolves can be divided into 3 types. They're the brave gray wolves, the agile coyotes, and the intelligent jackals. Each type has its own characteristics, and they counter each other, but I don't know much about it. Let's explore more about it later. I am adept at leading coyotes. Let's train...
I feel a mysterious force calling out to me ahead.
The steel.
Are you okay, Alpha? Just now, it seemed like you and the steel...
I'm fine. Do you know the origin of this?
This steel is called the Valhalla. As far as I can remember, it has always stood here. According to my father, it's a relic left behind by our ancestors.
Really? Then let me try it out.
If we use fangs, we may be able to summon a new hero. Try it.
Hey there, Jackal Elmer is at your service.
The red-soiled hunting ground is where my clan hunts and gathers meat. Prey often hides in lush grass, and we need to utilize our innate hunting instinct to find them. Now, Alpha, rummage through every bush. Then, use your memory to find 2 identical prey to complete the hunt. The Wolf Throne is the foundation of our clan, so its importance goes without saying. Prioritize...
Bad news! Aragon is rallying the hyenas nearby, trying to retake the Wolf Throne.
Don't worry. It will take them some time to rally. We need to speed up our development and recruit more wolves to prepare for their attack. Elmer, I got some strange shards here last time. Do you know what they are for?
These are soul shards?
Is it really that magic?
Alpha, I need your help. The water supply in the city is not enough. There are springs to the southwest of the Wolf Throne. We need to take it back as soon...
Leave it to me. I'll lead packs to retake...